Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:04 p.m. October 14th, 2020, Wednesday, hump day. Here we are. Let me just say, not so good. Period. Okay, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I appreciate that. Like the video. And hopefully this video might help you, because it definitely is something I need to go over. And the way I've been trading, and I've been doing really well. And this is the same thing that happened to me at the start of earnings season last quarter. I was doing very well, and then I started doing some weird stuff and went against my process, and this is what I'm doing again. But I'm not doing it like I was doing it back last quarter. I've controlled myself. There is some discipline involved, but I let a couple get away. And I took some really bad trades, and I think there was some FOMO involved. I think it was the ones I was watching and the ones I got out of. Markets were down today and just chopped down, and it made it really tough. So that doesn't help at all. If you go to the SPY, you can see it kind of fizzled up a little bit. I did have a trade on the green side, and then it fell off pretty good, and then kind of chopped around on these lower sides. To be expected, we're kind of in that market right now during earnings season. It makes it difficult, really does. I'm glad I learned it last quarter, but the problem is I didn't really put into effect some of the rules that I need to follow when I'm in earnings season. So I started the day off okay. I was watching HYLN, which is the old SHLL early trade here through this level, and then the secondary was I failed in the first one. Actually took a pretty decent loss, but I think at the end of the day I ended up on the green side. Yeah, so it was up for like $35 on HYLN. So at the end of the day here, go back to this screen, was a 29 break. End of the day, 5 minutes left in the day. I tried pressing the buy button. This is how my day has gone, and it went 29.03, and I didn't even see the prints over here. We're still showing 28, like 95. There was no chance, but look, it closed at like 29. It closed at 29.14, but it did get up to a high of 29.45. End of the day, I was in for 300 shares, or I would have been in for 300 shares. So HYLN is still one of my favorites based in the past. But it just didn't work out today. I didn't catch that last move. NNOX we've talked about several times over. I actually took the 35 break here, right? 35, it went to 35.10. Problem is, I didn't let it pull back. I just didn't let it pull back. It pulled back to 34.84, 16 cents, which isn't that bad. I was in for 400 shares. That's under $100. Where was my stop? My stop was kind of down in this level, probably in the 70s. If it got down in the 70s, once it went up in my favor and then pulled back, I just got out. I got out with a small loss. What was my loss on that? $21. This is what got me really frustrated today. This is one of them. Look what happened. 35. It eventually turned around. It went to 37.50. 37.50. Without looking back at all. I had the right idea. I took the trade. I didn't let it work. It's something I've been talking about for about 6 months now. Not letting it go against me. I like the stocks that just go. Of course, we all do. Had it not gone up 10 cents, which was kind of like a new high. I felt like it made a new high and then pulled back, and it wasn't going to make another new high right now. And that's why I got out. Look at this thing. PLL. Break of the 34. Was it? Whoa, hold on. Let me bring that up. This was another one of those brutal, frustrating situations. So 34.50 was created here. I got in at the 34.50 level here. I actually got some off on this 34.72 move. I got like 10 cents. I had like 250 shares left, and it pulled back down. It pulled back down. Look at the low, 34. I made a market. I sold at the market. Thinking it was just going to flush like this candle, and I had to get out, and I got out. I was watching the spreads. It's kind of like how it was right now. It dropped to 34, and I was like, wait, what's going on here? And I got out. But look what it did. Probably within a minute, 36.50. Another 2 points. So it's NNOX and PLL, 2 points. Right idea, right trade, good idea. Just not letting it work. Not letting it work. I mean, do I have to grow a pair, I guess? I mean, yeah, I don't like to be in the negative. How much did I lose on that one? $31. So it wasn't like I lost a ton, but I also should have been in it. I don't care about the 31. I'd rather have been in the $2. And then I got stupid. I got really stupid. I started looking up beyond. It's just chopped all day. I tried taking these breaks of new highs here. Tried taking breaks of new highs here. Got one at the end. Got me back a little bit. But not great. Not great. And then there was good old freaking Tesla. I got chopped by Tesla. Jumped on a couple trades that worked. I tried to get this early play here. Missed that one. I try to get the play here, miss that one, and then I get into the 65 break at the highs and get beat up. So I think I lost a ton on Tesla today. 179 was lost on Tesla today. So if you sense my voice, I had a bad day. I was down 275, I believe. Give me a second and I'll bring up the analysis for today. I mean, I'm just being honest with my day. I was down big. I was down really big. And then I got a late trade that got me back a little bit. But, missed the good ones, traded the stupid ones. Didn't stick to my rules. I kind of need someone like yanking on my throat. Say, hey, this is not a good idea. But it's every trade is up to me. And unfortunately, I made bad decisions. It's hump day. I don't know what I was thinking. When I was down at my bottom, I was saying to myself, okay, I'm walking away. I actually left the PC or the trading station and went and cut the grass. I cut the grass for an hour, got away, regrouped, and actually that helped. That definitely helped just to get away, not trade some crap during lunch. Because at lunchtime, actually, the markets kind of died off really hard, and I would have been getting killed if I was trading or just wasting my time. So let me bring up the analysis and we can go through that real quick. Okay, so here it is. The lovely equity curve for 10/14/2020. I took way too many trades today. I took 37 trades. That includes probably like 10 buys and the rest were sells. I had that HYLN go against me the first trade, and this is the second trade. I got me all that money back plus some. So I was like a $200 winner on the second trade. Then I took a couple small losses with a small win here, and then everything went to crashed. Got some back here, was down over 300, got to the 2 something level, and then I took a stupid Beyond trade or Tesla trade, probably Tesla. And this was the Tesla trade that the 365 break, and it just crushed me for another $120. Then I found that Beyond trade, and it just went to hell. So I ended the day with 279 down. So that pretty much sums it up. I'm going to close it out because I am done for the day. You guys make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.